tell you about 2 different kinds of wrinkles and 2 simple lifestyle fixes to avoid them. First one are expression wrinkles. These occur because of everyday expressions and facial muscle contortions repeatedly, over and over again, for a few seconds or a few minutes every day. And the second ones are the sleep wrinkles. But what are sleep wrinkles? Now, these are the wrinkles that are caused by skin distortions against the pillow at night. Your facial skin gets squashed and stretched and compressed on regular pillow at night, which invites more wrinkles. It rips and shears those ligaments under your skin. And you also lose all that skincare, serums, moisturizers to your regular pillowcases. If I told you to purposely squish and tug your face for about a minute or so to invite wrinkles, I am guessing you would reject that invite. But what if I tell you that you are doing just that to your face for an extended period of 7 to 8 hours every night? Now, what starts off as temporary folds and creases soon turn into permanent wrinkles. And this kind of damage actually starts much early in life. I'd always heard about silk pillowcases, but then recently I came across Sleep and Glow, the modern anti-age pillow, and I instantly had to try to see if this really works. Now, this pillow is designed with cosmetologists and orthopedists. It claims to minimize skin distortions when you sleep. Let's understand how. On a regular pillow, even if you sleep facing up, which is the recommended sleep position, you can develop wrong posture and unwanted deep wrinkles on your neck. If you sleep on your side, it is even worse. Your face and neck skin are both distorted. Now let me explain my experience. This pillow has this elastic-like memory foam, which is very different from the dated memory foam that I was introduced to maybe 10 years ago. It supports the shape of my face without squishing it. Now if you notice, it has this side pocket to support your head when you're sleeping sideways. So your head rests perfectly, but your facial skin does not distort. It really supports my head and neck for better posture even in my sleep. And I noticed that change during the first night with this pillow. Now in the head area, it is shaped to cradle my head in a way that it pushes the wrinkles away. Now when I sleep on my side, not just my face, but even my neck wrinkles don't develop. These deep lines on your neck, they don't develop. It is shaped to fit between your face and your shoulders, so you maintain a healthy posture and avoid these neck wrinkles too. Sleeping face down is considered an absolute no-no when it comes to sleeping positions. But for people like me who like to sleep facing down, can now sleep guilt-free. Now this pillow comes with a snug fit, luxurious silk pillowcase, which is amazing too. You won't wake up with puffy face because silk helps to retain moisture in your skin. You won't wake up looking like you just stuck your finger in a socket because sleeping on a luxury silk pillowcase can reduce friction on your hair, which can often cause damage like split ends. So you can say that it truly does pay to sleep on a silk pillow. This was a lot of educational information even for me, for which I want to thank Sleep and Glow and also for sponsoring this video. For Blush With Me Parmita followers, they are giving away a $10 discount. And with Mother's Day coming up, this anti-age pillow makes a thoughtful and a luxurious gift. But why just women? I think even men need it as much as women do. So go ahead and explore the website linked below and let me know if you have any questions about Sleep and Glow anti-age pillow.